किया है और चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन. So kids, we are just waiting after a big week, a big week. How are you all? Did you miss ma'am? Did you miss ma'am? Did you? Ma'am missed you a lot. Okay, so it has started. Okay, so just refresh, and I am here live waiting for you all. Please join fast. And we can't miss our activity, right? We cannot miss our activity. So let's start our dancing activity for us. Stretching or hello everyone? Which one would you like to do? Stretching or hello everyone? Hi Jaksh. We're gonna do activity, our dancing activity first. I'm good. I'm very happy. How about you? Okay, stretching activity or dancing hello everyone activity? Which activity do you wanna do? Tell me fast kids, fast. Just 1 minute wait कर लेते हैं उन सारे little kids का जो अभी तक नहीं आए हैं. Just wait for a minute and then we'll start our activity for today. And yes, we're gonna share all the names of the winners too. And first graders, you guys are awesome actually. 1 minute wait for all those who have not joined yet. Just 1 minute wait for all those who have not joined yet. Parents, if there is someone whom you can inform, just inform them to join fast. Okay, now tell me fast, which activity do you want to do? Dancing activity of stretching or hello everyone? Just answer me fast. Dancing activity of stretching or hello everyone? Okay, so hello everyone. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Stand up kids, stand up. Hello everyone, how are you? Dance with ma'am. How are you? Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, how are you? Hello everyone, how are you today? Hello everyone, clap your hands. Hello everyone, clap your hands today. Hello everyone, stomp your feet. Hello everyone, stomp your feet today. Hello everyone, touch your ears, touch your ears, touch your ears. Hello everyone, touch your ears, touch your ears today. Hello everyone, have some fun, have some fun, have some fun. Hello everyone, have some fun, have some fun today. Okay, so let's start after dancing activity, our puzzle activity. Puzzle, 4-color puzzle first. So are you ready for the puzzle? Are you ready for the puzzle? Okay, let's get started. Let's get started. Say yes. Ready? Ready? Okay. Watch carefully. Watch very carefully. Okay. I'm going to present the combination in front of you. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, stop. Not to answer now. Not to answer now. You have to answer later. You have to answer later. Hi, Ankita. You have to answer later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now start answering. Now start answering. Answer, kids. Start answering now. Start answering now. Start sharing the answers. Start sharing the answers. Share answer fast. Start sharing the answers. Kids, start sharing the answers. I'm not getting your answers. Okay, Shakya Gaurav, I got your answer. I think you should refresh it because you guys are answering too late. Refresh it. Okay, so now is the time to show the puzzle and check whether you have answered it correct or not. So this was the combination. Is it correct for you, kids? Is it correct for you? First graders, is it correct for you? Great job. Okay, next combination. A big difficult combination. The most difficult combination and of 6 colors here. 6 colors here. Okay, ready for the combination? Ready for the challenge? Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, wait for a while. Not now, not now. You have not to answer now. Wait for a while and then I'll ask you to answer. Then only answer. I'll ask you to answer. Then answer. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now start answering. Kids, start answering. Parents, start typing. Kids, start answering. Parents, start typing. What was the puzzle color? Either bottom to top or top to bottom. Either bottom to top or top to bottom. Now you are answering like real time answers are coming. Okay, great, great, great. So many kids have answered. First graders are answering 6 colors. Really, are you able to answer? Like, ma'am actually can't answer 6 colors. Okay, let's check how many of you have answered it correct. So, here we have the combination. Just match it with your and go. Just check whether you have answered the same or not. You have answered the same or not. Okay, if you have answered the same, then say yes, that's great. Then say yes, that's great. Okay. Great job, Modipta. And what about Divyani, Shakya Gaurav? Okay, so now we're going to start our session. So, before that, the announcement of winners is must, right? So, let me just give a second. Here we go. So, I am just reading the name of all the winners. There were so many participants. Do you want your names to be displayed here? Then I'll only connect. Otherwise, I'm just announcing the names here. Vani, 10 points. It is of ordinal number. It is about ordinal numbers. Okay, ordinal number quiz. First, Vani, 10 out of 10. Then second is Radhika Narang, 10 out of 10. Then third is Saish. मैं ठीक है present कर देती हूँ. I'm just presenting it here so that you too can. Okay, it's presented here. So I'm just starting from the very first. This was the quiz on ordinal numbers, right kids? And your names, responses. Summary is like, we have so many who have scored 2, 5 and lots of students have scored 10. So students, okay, just a second. तो चलिए देखते हैं, let's see. So Vani, 10 out of 10. Great job, Vani. Radhika Narang, 10 out of 10. Great job. Vaishaish, great job. Clap for all of you. 10 out of 10. Then Akshara, 10 out of 10. Then Lakshita Goyal, 10 out of 10. Mohit, 10 out of 10. Satvik Man, 10 out of 10. Satvik Man, 10 out of 10. Okay. Then we have Akriti Sahu, 10 out of 10. Great job, bacha. Modipta, 10 out of 10. Yuvan, 10 out of 10. Jaksh, 10 out of 10. Then we have Arif, 10 out of 10. And last is Krisha, 10 out of 10. Great job. This is the result of day 1 quiz, that is of ordinal number. It's about ordinal number. Now we'll discuss record of skip counting by 10. 19 responses we have. Let's start from the first. First is Y Saish, 10 out of 10, great job. Yuvan, 10 out of 10. Lakshita Goyal, 10 out of 10. And Y Saish ने सबसे पहले इसे attempt किया है. The first one who has attempted this quiz. Lakshita Goyal, 10 out of 10. Then we have Neha Gupta, 10 out of 10. Akshara, 10 out of 10. Praniti, 9 out of 10 बच्चे. Then we have Shakya Gaurav, 10 out of 10. Darsh, 10 out of 10. Tiana, 10 out of 10. Akriti, 10 out of 10. Divyani, 10 out of 10. Satvik, 10 out of 10. Kriyan, जो भी आपके करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन है, 10 out of 10. Arif, 10 out of 10. Adishri, 9 out of 10. Jaksh, 10 out of 10. Aram, 10 out of 10. And last student is Krishna, 10 out of 10. Great job. And for 5 counts, skip counting by 5. We have 13 responses here. So individual score 10 out of 10 everybody except Jyotisha. आपका ही देख लेते हैं. Student name Satvik Man has scored 9 out of 10, except that every single student has scored 10. Okay, we have a score of 10 for everyone. So let's clap for Y Saish ने फिर से first response दिया है. Y Saish, Y Saish 12:33, 12 कल 12 बजे का आपका है. उसके बाद सेकेंड नंबर पर the second Akshara है. Okay, and if you talk about the score, all of you have scored 10 except just one. बच्चे थोड़ी सी आपको मेहनत करनी है. Okay, so the names are Y Saish, Akshara. Clap for all of them. They are the best student actually. Y Saish, Akshara, Malav, Adishri, Arif, Shakya Gaurav, Lakshita, Yuvan, Jaksh, Satvik Man, Akriti Sahu, Vihan and Krishna. Okay, great job. You have done best. और आपने जहाँ wrong किया होगा सात्विक, वो आपने सात्विक ही थे आप, I guess. मैं एक बार फिर से देख लूँ किसी दूसरे बच्चे को मैं. Okay, सात्विक. So बस थोड़ी सी आपको और मेहनत करनी है and I know next time आप बहुत अच्छा करने वाले हो. So we have discussed all the responses of each and every student. कल we will discuss the students who have scored 30 on 30. That means जिन्होंने तीनों ही टेस्ट में अपना 10 10 10 स्कोर किया है. तो आपने, अगर आपको पता होगा, अगर आपने 10 on 10 स्कोर किया है, then say just yes here. Say yes if you have scored 10 on 10. That means 30 on 30. If you have scored 30 out of 30, then just say yes. Okay, so Akriti, that's great Akriti. Ankita, kid's name please, child's name please. Okay, Lakshita, 10 out of 10. There were so many students who have scored 10 out of 10. But the thing is, आपने अगर हर टेस्ट में 10 out of 10 स्कोर किया है, that means you will be the star student. तो देखते हैं. Okay, so here what we gonna discuss, जो कुछ भी हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है अभी तक, we gonna discuss the questions based on that. Okay kids? So if I just say, I'm just drawing some line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. I'm just changing it a little bit. We will be writing A, B, C, D, E, F and G. We will be writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the question is, what is second from the left? What is second from the left? The question is, what is second, or which rod is second from the left? We have some rods named A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Which rod is second from the left? You just have to answer the rod which is second from the left. Answer it fast. Answer it fast. Divyani, are you here? Darsh, Sparsh, Jaksh, Malav, वो लास्ट नेम्स जो थे मुझे थोड़े थोड़े याद आ रहे हैं. शाक्या, गौरव, आर यू हियर? Okay, answer fast, fast, fast. Ved, yes, Ved. Akriti, answer fast. What is second from the left? Second from the left. Second from the left. We have got the answers. Now I'm going to announce the answer. Let's check how many of you have answered it correct. Okay. How many of you have answered it correct? Just check that. We have the question A, B, C, D. What is the second from the left? So this is left. Starting from here, this is first and this is second. So B is the correct answer for this. How many of you have answered it B? B is the correct answer for this. Tell me how many of you have answered it B. How many of you have answered it B? How many of you have answered it B? Please tell me. Just check and tell me. Great job. Great job. Wait, Manan. Okay, now I'm changing it. Now I'm changing the question. How many rods are on the left of E? Okay, next question in front of you. Try answering this. Next question in front of you. Try answering this. Answer fast. Answer fast. Answer fast. Wait for Shakya, Gaurav, Darsh, Sparsh, Divyani, Jaksh. 4, 4, 4. So let's discuss the answer. Let's discuss the answer. So it is asking about E, left of E. Okay. So this is E here. How many of you have answered it 5? How many of you have, Sudeshna, what's the child's name? How many of you have answered it 5? Did you answer it 5? So E, we have to stand here, kids, we have to stand here and just count. Left means this side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct answer is 4, not 5. Good. Okay, Divyani. Great job बच्चे. Now next question here. Next question है आपका. How many rods are there on the left of G if 2 rods added on the right of G? See, ma'am की writing थोड़ी सी बड़ी बड़ी है, that's why it take whole space. Otherwise the question is very small, very short, very easy. Okay, how many rods are there on the left of G if 2 rods added, if 2 more rods are added on the left, on the right of G? Read the question first and then answer me. Read the question carefully and then answer me. So kids have started answering. Six people are answering. 6. Read the question carefully. 2 rods are added also. Is it 6 then 2? Is it 6 only? Let's check. Let's check. So what's being asked here, how many rods are there on the left of G? So G is, let's place G. Now the smiley will come here and sit on G. Okay. Now we'll start counting and we'll start from the left of G. So here it will be first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Yes. So how many rods are on the left of G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job. So the correct answer is 6. Clap for all the kids who have answered it. 6. Great job, kids. Great job. Now I will be changing the question. Okay, I'm going to change the question. So the question is, how many of you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many of you have watched the video, the concept videos? What were the topics of concept videos? In 5 seconds, just answer how many dots are there on the board. How many dots are there on the board? How many dots are there on the board? How many dots are there on the board? How many dots are on the board? How many of you are answering one by one? How many of you are answering, adding it one by one, counting it one by one? 30, Akriti. 29. Okay, some are saying 29, some are saying 30. People are saying 29 just because of this light. Now please check and tell me the answer. This blind spot only. So what we have discussed in the week, कौन कौन सी वीडियोस, डिड यू सी द वीडियो एंड देन अटेम्प्ट द क्विज? आपने क्विज अटेम्प्ट करने से पहले वीडियो देखा था? लेट्स काउंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a row of 10 points. That means 10 dots. That means each row will have 10. So it's nothing but the skip count of 10. 10, 20, 30. So we have a total of 30. Great job. Now a difficult question is going to come. And now let's see who will answer it correct and first. Didn't you see the ordinal number video? Skip count by 5 and 10 आपने देखा? Did you see the ordinal also? Because we are covering the topics we have discussed in the video. Okay. Next question. How many dots will be left? How many dots will be left if we remove F completely? That means what I'm asking, this question is somehow like, let me just clean this what I've written here. Okay, and this was A. Okay, so each A belongs to these dots, B belongs to these dots. Okay, different column, these are the column name, A, B, C, D, like this. Understanding, kids? Understanding? Say yes or no if you are understanding or not. Understanding? आपको समझ आ रही है बात? These are some different columns. These are some different columns. Very good. And we have different dots here in each and every column. Okay, okay, very good. Very good. So here we have a question. How many dots will be left if we remove F completely? अगर हम F को पूरी तरह से रिमूव कर देते हैं, then कितने डॉट्स रह जाएंगे? How many dots will be left if we remove 10 completely? 10 completely. Now one more thing, parent would be thinking कि जो videos आ रहे हैं वो बहुत basic level के आ रहे हैं. So what I think, because I actually wanted to start it from place value model, but place value model need a dedicated understanding of skip count by 10. That's why I have included that. And if I think if something is the base of some other thing, I would definitely take base first and then start discussing the higher level thing or the thing which is depending on something else. Okay, so the question says F को remove कर देते हैं. So let's remove F completely. So what we'll do, we will remove F. Removing F means we will remove the dots of F. Now how many dots are left? How many dots are left? It means initially we were having 30 dots. Now we are left with 30 minus 3. Back counting, or आपको अगर like subtraction if you know, then it will be 27. Otherwise back counting from 30, 29, 28, you will be 27. You will have 27. So the students who have answered 27 are definitely correct. That's great, kids. That's great. You have answered it correctly. You have answered it correctly. Okay. If I say, I'm just placing dots again. 1, 2, 3. How many dots are now? How many dots are there now? How many dots are there? I think this is not visible to you, this point, at this particular point, but it's a blind spot, but it has dots. If I just settle the light, somehow you will be able to see the dots. Okay, how many dots are there? Tell me fast, how many dots are there? How many dots are there? How many dots are there? Fast, fast, fast. Akriti has answered it. Fast. Other students, where are you? Answer fast. Okay, take your time, count and then answer it fast. Okay, meanwhile, let's do one activity. After this question, we'll do one activity, okay? It's gonna be too much padhai. We'll do one activity and then start again. Okay, kiddos? Okay, ma'am. And after this, I'll ask you a difficult question. So before that, refreshing is very important. So just get ready. Are you ready to do the activity? The stretching activity? Are you ready to do the stretching activity? Are you ready? Say yes, fast, fast, fast. Are you ready? Then we'll discuss a difficult question. फटाफट ready हो जाइए तब तक हम. All of you have answered it? Did you answer it? I'm just going to remove it, erase it. Okay. Okay. So stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stretch up, up. Stretch down, down. Stretch up, up. Stretch down, down. Let's clap together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up, up. Stretch down, down. Stretch up, stretch down, down. Let's punch together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up, stretch down, down. Stretch up, stretch down, down. Let's jump together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch up, stretch down, down. Stretch up, stretch down, down. Let's kick together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, इसका हाफ पार्ट हम थोड़ी देर बात करेंगे. ओके, क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. लेट्स सी. You have to find and this is literally very tricky question, and I know most of you will answer it wrong. Find the odd one out. You have to find the odd one out. You have to find the odd one out. थोड़ा स्पेस कम पड़ गया. I will be needing some space. You have to find the odd one out. Do you know what is odd one out? What is odd one out? What is odd one out? Tell me if you know what is odd one out. Kids, tell ma'am what is odd one out, बच्चे. What is odd one out? Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. A, B, C, D. Can you see all four pictures? Are you able to see all four pictures? Tell me whether you are able to see the pictures or not. Are you able to see all the pictures? Kids, fast. Are you able to see all the pictures? Answer me fast. Which one is odd one out? A, B, C, D. Which one is odd one out? Which one is odd one out? Which one is odd one out? Okay, B. People are answering it B. Okay. Okay, just think and tell me. Just think and tell me. Okay, majority, Shakya Gaurav saying is D. Chalo, likh lete hain. We have very some. Okay, one more thing. Like the team is thinking of that there is very less number of people come live for grade 1. So we should switch to higher grades, leaving grade 1. But I am not at all supporting this statement. I would ask you what you actually want. You want, is it fruitful to you? You want it to be continued, like आप चाहते हैं कि ये continue रहे, या like we have very less number of people participating here for grade 1. So the team is thinking to just convert the grade 1 into grade 6, 7. I have just shared what they are just gossiping about. Let's see what will happen. Okay, so what? Find the odd one out. You have to find the odd one out. Shakya Gaurav is saying D. Jaksh, what your answer is? J for Jaksh. S for Shakya Gaurav. Divyani, if you are here, just answer me. What's the answer? Yes, I really support. मेरा भी यही वोट है कि मैं ये हमारा जो M&M सीट चल रहा है उसको मैं कंटिन्यू रखूं. But the thing is, people, very less number of people are coming live here. Maybe they are thinking that it's not so fruitful for them or something else. So I would request you to just share करें अपने ग्रुप में, जिससे कि majority यहाँ पर दिख पाए. See, यहाँ पर number of students ज़्यादा होंगे, like they are thinking that it's like parent point of view से या student point of view से कि maybe मैम की classes ज़्यादा fruitful नहीं हैं अगर senior grades को यही time allocate कर दिया जाएगा, because so many people are like asking. Divyani has said it B, asking about senior grade 6, 7th, 8th. So maybe in future ऐसा हो, but I would at last time तक भी I would be stick, मैं अपना इसी वोट पर स्टिक रहूँगी that I will be continuing grade 1. Let's see. But I would request you कि आपका जो भी like circle हो आप उस पर circulate करें. And yes, if it is saying that it's free, then it will be free. Akriti is saying D. Shakya Gaurav D. Akriti is saying D. Jaksh, what's your answer? What is your answer, Jaksh? What your answer is? What your answer is? What's your answer? Have you all answered about this? Have you answered the same? The question is, find the odd one out. You have to find the odd one out. अब ये जो क्वेश्चन है हमारे लाइव सेशंस जो पिछले लाइव सेशंस हो चुके हैं उस पे बेस्ड है, राइट? एंड एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू दैट सो मेनी स्टूडेंट मे बी पॉसिबल कि वो गलत करें. अगर आपने आंसर नहीं किया है तो आप फटाफट आंसर करिए. मैं एक बार बस आंसर चेक करती हूँ. दिवानी सेड बी. Ankita didn't understand, didn't get. Tapsi Shahu. That means the student name Shakya Sudeshna Singh B, Yashwant D and B. There is a battle between B and D, I guess. Let's see B जीतता है या D जीतता है. Let's see. HK Shah saying D. See, this is kind of sphere. Okay, this is a sphere. Both the objects, odd one out का मतलब जो match नहीं करता है. Both the objects can roll here. Both the objects can roll here. One is of bigger size than other. Both the objects can slide here. Right? Here, one can roll and another can slide. So यहाँ पर last D option जो है उसमें एक roll करता है एक slide करता है. Except या तो roll करेंगे या तो slide करेंगे. Like both are of same category. But the D one is different because it is rolling as well as sliding. It is rolling as well as sliding. That's why it is wrong. So the students who have selected D as the answer are correct. D part is completely correct. Okay, kiddos. D part is correct. Did you understand why? Did you understand why is it correct? Okay. Again, find the odd one out. Find the odd one out. We again have to find the odd one out. Odd one out. So here we have okay, this is the question in front of you. You have to find the odd one out. Tell me what the answer will be. Tell me what the answer will be. You have to find the odd one out again. What will be the answer? A, B, C or D? Tell me the answer. What the answer will be? A, B, C or D? What will be the answer? Kesha, D, Ved, D. Okay, so other students, what your answer is? Shakya Gaurav D, Akriti D, are you done? Are all done? Jaksh D. Why the answer is D? Are you able to understand why the answer is D? That's great. All have answered it correct. Why the answer? Sudeshna answer is D. Okay, why the answer is D? Can you tell me why the answer is D? Great. The answer is D just because. Tell me fast. Why the answer is D, kids? It is D just because all are flat 2D shapes except this D. D is 3D shape, right? Do you know what is 2D and 3D? D will roll, you can say that also. And it's 3D, that is cone. Correct. And all other are 2D, that means two-dimensional. Okay, great. Let me ask one more question. Okay. How many dots are there? How many dots are there? How many dots are there? Do this question. I am just framing another one. Did you answer? Did you answer? How many dots are there? Etkesha 15, Ved 25, Akriti 25, Shakya Gaurav 25. Okay. Okay, someone else? Kids, parents, please tell me, are they counting one by one? Are they counting one by one? Like, how are you counting? Etkesha 15, sorry, 25, 25, Jaksh 25. Kids, are you counting like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you counting it like this? Say Yashwant 25. Say yes or no. Are you counting it one by one like this? Wait. How many of you are skipping or counting it one by one? How many of you are skipping? It is a skip count. Yes, it's a skip count. We'll just count it for once. How many dots are actually in first? Like, we'll just count how many dots are there in first row or first column. Then we'll just skip count. 5, then 10, then 15, 20 and 25. Great job. After this, you have a question waiting over there. So let's do that. You have some laddus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the answer? How many laddus are there? 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 People have started answering. Jaksh 50, Akriti 50, Divyani, Shakya Gaurav, Etkesha, Darsh is absent today. Sparsh, Darsh is absent today. Yashwant 5. Equal. Equal means, what is equal? 50 equal. What is equal? Equal I'm not able to understand. Why is it equal? With whom is it equal? किससे equal है ये? Is it 25 only? Is it also 25? This was 25. That one is also 25. Divyani 50. Great. Great. So I'm just this. What's the answer? The correct answer is 50. The correct answer is 50. Okay, now I will ask you which one is bigger? Which group is bigger? Okay, now you have to tell me we have one group of this and another group here. This is group A and this is group B. Which group is bigger? Kids, which group is equal? Which group is equal? HK it was 50 that time. It was not equal. Which group is equal? Tell me fast. Which group is equal? Which group is, which group is bigger? A is bigger or B is bigger? Which one is bigger? Tell me fast. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? A or B? Divyani is saying B. Count them fast and then let me know which one is bigger. Ved says B. Shakya Gaurav B. Tapshi Saho B is bigger. Okay, let's check. So, here how many dots we have here? A has how many dots? How many dots are there in this box? Jaksh is saying B. How many dots we have here? Tell me total dots here. total dots A have? A has how many dots? Fast, fast, fast. Answer fast. How many dots are there with A? How many dots are there with A? Yes, Divyani, there are 40 dots. Now, what about B? How many dots are there with B? Shakya got of 40 dots. Correct. Now answer for B. Answer for B. Wait, 40. Good. Now answer for B. Answer for B. What's your answer for B? For B we have, correct, 50 dots. So 50 is bigger than 40 or smaller? 50 is bigger than 40. Great job. 50 is bigger than 40. Now let's get ready for the next question. Let's get ready for the next question. Okay. You have to fill A, B, C, D, E and F. You have to fill A, B, C, D, E, F. Fast, fast, fast. A, B, C, D, E, F. You have to fill A, B, C, D, E, F and then we have our final activity and done. Final stretching की भी activity बाकी है ना? We'll do that final activity and then done. We'll wind up our session for today. And tomorrow we'll announce Star Student of the Week. Those who have scored 30 on 30. Divyani has answered it first. Other students, फटाफट answer करिए and then we'll check 20, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100. All are answering the same. 20, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100. 20, 40, 50, 70, 80, 100. Okay. So let's disclose the answer. A is 20. It's the skip count by 10. Did you understand what type of skip counting is this? It is just a skip count by 10, right? So we will just skip count by 10 and write our answer. So A will be 20, then we have 30, it will be 40, then 50, then 60 we have, D will be 70, 80, 90 we have, it will be EF, it will be 100. The last block will be 100. And all of you have, not even one, but everybody, all of you have answered it correct. So now is the time for the final activity, dancing activity. So let's stretch, stretch, stretch together. Okay? Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. और कल हम और अच्छे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे, थोड़ा सा अच्छे लेवल के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे बेस्ड ऑन द सेम जो कुछ भी हमने अभी तक पढ़ा है. मतलब आपको सब कुछ रिवाइज कर लेना है. शेप्स हमें रिवाइज करना है, हमें स्पेसेस इनसाइड आउटसाइड, बिगर स्मॉलर, टॉप बॉटम, फार नियर, सब कुछ. एंड 2D शेप्स, 3D शेप्स, रोलिंग, स्लाइडिंग, ऑर्डिनल नंबर. Then what we discussed after ordinal number? Count, skip counts by 5 and 10s. Okay, so stand up, stand up, stand up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Stand up, kids. Stand up fast. Fast, fast, fast. Say yes when you're ready. Say yes when you're ready. Say yes when you're ready. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, stand up, sit down, sit down, sit down. Out. How many of you out? Okay, now this is left, this is right. Okay, stretch left, left, stretch right, right, stretch left, left stretch, right, right. Let's clap together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, tell me how many of you do dancing activity with me when you get recorded videos. Tell me, recorded video जब आपको मिलता है तब मेरे साथ एक्टिविटी कौन कौन करता है. मैं देखती हूँ तब भी मैं आपको देखती हूँ, जैसे मैं अभी देख रही हूँ ना तभी भी मैं आपको देखती हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो या नहीं. Okay, stretch left, left stretch right, right stretch left, left stretch right, right. Let's clap together 5 times. 1, 2, 3. Great, Shakya Gaurav. 4, 5. Stretch left, left stretch right, right stretch left, left. Do but sitting, Akriti. Left stretch right. Let's punch together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch left, left stretch right, right stretch left, left stretch right, right. Let's kick together 5 times. 1, 2. Kick like you're kicking football. 3, 4, 5. Stretch left, left stretch right, right stretch left, left stretch right, right. Just let's jump together 5 times. Together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning with me and Matt. Bye bye.